Hello everyone, I hope this isn't too loud. Welcome to today's YouTube video. I should probably move my bike a little more this way so I don't record anything that isn't supposed to be recorded. So today we're going to be doing maintenance and going for a spin. The main problem is, if you can look closely, you can see how my bracket, I'm thinking it is this top bracket, is off-centering my suspension. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unscrewing these two right here, which hold my handle, which lock up my handlebars to the actual frame itself. And then I'm going to be taking off this centerpiece here to hopefully be able to get off this other bracket. So let's see here. Check everything else on my bike. There was a lady walking by. I don't want to catch her on the video. So all my tools I'm going to need are actually right in here. That isn't the tools I'm looking for. So what I'll actually need for this are Allen keys, as I grab my spare pedal. To whoever said bless you in the comments, thank you. My fragrance I put on is already getting to me. I'm gonna need to take off the center bracket first. These Allen keys are stuff you could find at the dollar store for about $5. It does come with another one. It isn't the right shape. It's a star-like shape, which I don't need. I just saw a text message flash across my screen and I smiled. So now that I have this bracket off, wow, as you can see, you could probably see it on camera, which I can't really see because of my POV cam. This is a little rusted. A little might be an understatement. I do, in fact, let my bike sit out with the elements. I do hope to hopefully fix that soon. Let me tell you the backstory of why I wear knee pads, since, it's right there. At first, I wore them a lot, and they actually saved me in one of my crashes with this thing. I used to take very sharp turns as a rookie rider, and I slipped out one day while taking one of these sharp turns. Hopefully I can leave that in. Maybe. Yep. And now we just rest this off to the side. And I ended up getting injured very badly that time. It isn't one of my proudest crashes, but after that, I kept wearing it for a time. I kept wearing this stuff for a time, and then, please tell me you line up. And then I stopped wearing the gear, like all of it. I have I can't turn that way. I have elbow pads too, but then when I stopped wearing them, I actually got into a severe crash. I'm actually still recovering from it, but I'm mostly healed. I don't know. Yeah, that's my elbow injury. Um, I have two injuries on my knee that are fully healed. There's one on my ankle that's also fully healed. Please tell me you're center. Do you think this looks center, you guys? I hope so. I should have brought the mallet out. Probably would have been smart. Um, oh, there is a screw holding this in place, I think. I'm having trouble lifting it up. Oh, suspension. Okay. I gotta hold you guys in my hand for a little bit so I can assess the situation as I'm touching the center bracket here, which I probably shouldn't be. So I just messed this up a little bit. I have to set you guys in my seat, so hope you don't mind. I made a big mistake. Oh, never mind, guys. I found the screws I'm looking for. I gotta block that way. That's my mailbox. There are some screws in here. So I have to set you guys down again due to legal reasons. Which I actually didn't know I had the screws for. As my neighbor's out. Sweet, I do have screws. I was actually hoping I had screws. I do apologize for those who actually watch my YouTube videos seeing absolutely nothing right now. And is it lined again? It might have just lined up again. Hopefully. I'm so glad I have my phone off my POV cam because I'm hitting the center bracket right now. I know you guys can't see on video, but I am in fact hitting the center bracket. Hope it's tied well enough. Or tied tight enough. And I hope I did fix it. Did I fix it? Looks a little off center. You guys can come back now since I'm done with what needed to be done, I think. Now that I actually know how this works into its entirety, I don't think I needed to take off the center bracket. I think I could have kept it on. But now, to reassemble it, it's simple since I didn't take off as much as I needed to. Speaking of crashes, a couple of my crashes did bang up this bike a lot, which, like I said, is in fact a bummer. But that's what happens with e-bikes these days. You get into a few crashes, and you win some, you lose some. You know, that's the bummer to e-bike riding is you don't always you don't always like you're not always safe, I guess. I have to make sure not to over tighten because I can in fact mess it up. But like I said, now that I've seen the innards myself and there is a stinging bug, I'm going to back away from my bike. Okay, nope. It's still here. It's actually right in front of me. It's touching me. Not like that. Ayo, sus. As I've said before, that is the downside of e-biking, is you're not always safe on the road. Or you're not as safe as you think you are, I guess. I do have to make sure my handlebars are straight before I go anywhere. Everything should be tight enough. I have to make sure it's not over tightened. I can put my bag on now. Yep, it looks more in line now. Oh. Actually, what am I doing? What am I on about? That is completely normal. My handlebars are a little off-center, so I'm going to try and see if I can straighten those out. I do have to take my phone off, I think. I might be able to keep it on. Yeah, my handlebars are very off-center. Let's see. Can I fix it without catching anything on camera? Let me walk over. Yes, I can. I have to keep it facing down. I already forgot which direction it needs to be. I think it was this direction. It's almost in line. Oh, I think my sprocket fell out of alignment again. Or not my sprocket, my suspension. I just fixed you too. Okay. Like I said, now that I know, I can actually continue to fix this because I know. This is really making me a little, it's making me a little angry here. I don't want to catch anything that shouldn't be caught on camera. As I said, I'm currently at my humble abode. Oh, as these guys are getting clipped. Can I, without catching one on camera, can you tighten or can you should I loosen you or should I tighten you? Because you're still out of alignment. Well, you're misaligned now. So theoretically, that would mean you're not tight enough. You screw. Yes, I like talking to myself, guys. I'm a little weird. Oh, I was right. It isn't tightened. Okay. So maybe I should do this process a little differently. As, like I said, my sprocket, or not my sprocket. I keep saying sprocket. Or is that what this is? Is that what you're called? Is that your name? Why did you loosen? Ah, that's a bit of a problem. Because how did that get loose so quickly? I think the threading got messed up in one of my crashes. Which kind of sucks, you know? Maybe, what if... So, you're in charge of a metal piece. It's a metal piece right there. You sure this makes you move freely? In theory? So, could I get you to go forward? Maybe I should tighten this first before I tighten the other thing. I mean, I did have to build this bike myself, so it wouldn't surprise me if I uninstalled something, installed something. Hello? Should I try and move it down? Can I move it down? No, I think the only way I can move it is forward. It is in line. Is it? Nah, I feel like this side could dip down a little more. Maybe that's why it's out of alignment. Because it's not as low as it could be. I think I did mess it up there. Now you look like you could be in alignment. Maybe that's what happened. Oh, I don't like that squeak sound. Oh, did it stop tightening? Okay, that got me scared for a sec. I actually got a little scared. I don't like this bike. That's... You're still not in alignment, are you? Yeah, I think one of my crashes did mess it up. Okay. Well, that's actually fantastic. Okay. Now, I guess we can get this show on the road and actually ride. Like I said, now that I have this figured out, my bike figured out somewhere, I'm actually a little happier. I picked up a stick on accident. Normally, wait, why am I... What? Okay, I think I'm a little tired today. I'm talking randomly. Okay. You know, the one thing... Now I can actually start talking. The one thing that I want is... Or actually, there's multiple things I want. I'll tell you as I ride. So, it's cold right now. It's almost 10 o'clock on a Sunday. And it's cold. That it really is Sunday. Time's flying. Okay. Hopefully everything's in line. Let's go take it for a spin. Oh no, I don't like that sound. Oh no, did I mess up my... I messed that up again. Oh, the one thing I was afraid of. I messed up my center thing again. We just got that fixed too. Crap. Okay, we can't ride yet. Crap. Like I said, that's one thing I was afraid of. I messed it up, so we can't ride safely. Okay, let's get that fixed. Like I said, that was the one thing I was afraid of. Messing that up. So we got a little more maintenance to do, guys. This video got longer than it needed to. Is it because you're not fully tied in? No. It's because there's something else at play here. Is it because you're not fully seated? No, you are properly seated. So then what came out of alignment? Was that all an illusion in my head? No, it isn't. My mount isn't fully in. Or my handlebars aren't fully on. Welcome to Can He Fix It? Bob the Builder. Can he fix it? Imagine that's copywritten. I'm so done for if it is. Oh, yeah, that's not what I need. Second pair of hands would go great right about now. So why is it? It probably happened when I was messing with this thing, which sucks. Like I said, this video got longer than it needed to be. All because of my mistake. So what did happen? Is that out of alignment too? Can I adjust that? Or am I seeing things? Is there a screw on? Ow, my forearm tense. Okay. Guess this is a learning experience today. Because the freaking... Look at how dirty that is. Never seen a man fiddle with his bike before, sir. No, it's because I didn't have that screwed in all the way, did I? That's why it messed up. So why you make sure you tighten your stuff, kids. Did it just break the thread? Did the thread stop threading? That looks important. Where did that come from? Did I fix it? No, I still haven't fixed it. There's this... I just forgot about my handlebars. I wonder where this came from. That's worrisome. That's actually worrisome. Did this come from me? Please don't tell me this came from me. I really don't want this to be from me. Sorry for the random cut, you guys. My video kind of cut off because I accidentally switched apps. So we have a new problem now. It came out of alignment again. Meaning this got loose somehow. I don't think that piece over there was from me because of where it was. If it is from me, I'm actually done for. So, yeah. I think this all happened because I loosened a screw I wasn't supposed to. Or, well, any screw is a screw you're not supposed to loosen. And then I think some of my bearings came out. They came out in the process of me loosening stuff. It probably happened when I loosened my bracket, my suspension brackets, causing something in my tire to move. Meaning, since I loosened this, when this was off, it took everything out with it. And I think it was messing up the threading in here just because it was tightening randomly. So now that I know how this works, hopefully loosen these again. Hopefully I can slide this mount further in and fix my problem. And if not, I'm actually in some serious trouble. And my dad is going to yell at me again because we took this thing into the shop for the same reason. Just because I messed something up in fixing it. So I actually messed up a whole bunch of other stuff too. Oh, did it just slide somewhere? No, it slid out again. Bearing the rubber, the gasket. I'm seeing everything right now. Which is really, really not good. I hate this. Hate is a strong word, guys. So, is there a way I can? Oh, if I loosen the screw some more, and then I push the mount down. Okay, I'm on to something, guys. Either I'm on to something, or I'm absolutely losing my mind right now. Either is fine. Which I think I'm actually supposed to have it, like, tilted like tilted towers. Tilts no tower, because that probably made it fall out of alignment when I did it. So if I can loosen this down, that should. Even worse. Why did it come out again? I hate this so much. Come on, come up. No, you didn't come up far enough. Oh, I just did something far worse. I broke a bearing. The reason I know is because I see one of the balls. I just broke my bike. I can't use my bike. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the video here. Bye. Editor note for the YouTube video. I'm down 2 bearings. We couldn't get them back in. And now my e-bike still works. It just turns easier than it should. So it makes it unsafe. I will have to get that fixed. And to all those people watching my YouTube videos, if you're ever working on an e-bike or something with bearings, don't do it alone, or you'll end up making the mistakes I did. And yeah, so that's fantastic. I should hopefully have a post of me riding sometime soon. I'm unsure at the moment.